Hello everyone, in today's video you will see that how you can create a multi-boot USB pen drive for Windows installation. So you can keep your Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, 11 or any other Windows operating system that you wanted to keep it on your pen drive. So in this video I'm just going to use this 32-bit USB flash drive which I'm going to insert on my laptop here. Alright, pen drive is in system now. To creating a multi-boot USB drive, we are going to use Windows software that is called Vintoy. So you will get a link in the description of this video. The first thing that we should extract the Vintoy software. So I'm just going to use it extract here. So here it is. So once extracted, we just need to open it up. Ventoy to disk. This is an application exe file. So I'm just going to double click and open. Alright, so here it recognizes our device, which is H. Nothing to change, we just need to click on install button and says type yes, click OK. So it says the device will be formatted and the data will be lost. So continue yes or no. So make sure you do not have any data, and if you have any data on your pen drive or flash drive, just make sure to just back it up and somewhere else. Okay, just click yes and double check. Okay, click yes to continue. So it is in progress now, 17%. It may take a minute of time. Okay, it says congratulations, Vintoy has been successfully installed to this device. Okay, and now we can close this application. We don't need that. So now when we go back now here, you can see the drive name is changed automatically to Ventoy H. What next we need here, we just need to copy and paste the ISO images that you wanted to make a multi-boot for this pen drive. So I'm just going to copy all three and paste here in the drive. So this may take a while because it's 12 gigabyte of space on 3 ISO images. So I will cut down this copy process from this video and I'll take it to the end. Alright, now you can see that the images has been copied for all three Windows operating systems. One is for Windows 10, 11, and then this is for Windows 7 Ultimate, which has both 32 and 64 bits. So now the pen drive, the USB drive is ready for installation. So this is all you need to do to make your drive bootable. If you wanted to just check that how you can boot this USB drive in your system, restart your computer and boot from your pen drive this time. You might see this screen or this window on your computer screen. You just need to select it, boot in normal mode, and then you will see this screen where you have to just select your operating system that you wanted to install and hit enter. That's all, and this is how you can use that Vintoy multi-boot USB drive on your computer. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye.
PC Guide for You is here to help you with your issues. For more updates, subscribe now.